Okay. This is example number 5. Mm, which of the following is not hydrolyzed? Now, option is so this is from P Block Elements Group 1516, Lecture 1, Stage 1, slide number 15. So, this question is very simple. Which of the following is cannot be hydrolyzed? The question is mm, option A is BF3, option B is NF3, option C is SBF3, and option D is ASF3. Okay, great. So this is example number 5. Option A, what we had is PF3, phosphorus trifluoride. Okay. The most important thing is if I'm hydrolyzing it, I should have a PO bond. And here what is it? Here you have a PF bond. Most important fact is that PF bond is very strong bond than your PO bond. It's very simple that you need more amount of energy to break it, and then you have the PO bond here. So PF cannot be broken easily, therefore it cannot be hydrolyzed. Therefore PF3 cannot be hydrolyzed. Okay, excellent. Now here you have another option, option B. Option B is your nitrogen trifluoride. Now the most important thing is if a molecule contains a vacant d orbital, then there is a possibility of a factor it may be hydrolyzed. Therefore, nitrogen is an element present in the second period which does not have a vacant d orbital. Therefore, this can also be the option. And SbF3, antimony trifluoride, as well as arsenic trifluoride possess a vacant d orbital. Therefore, we can hydrolyze them. Therefore, our option A and B is correct. So the correct option is this option A and option B is correct. Option C and option C, they can be hydrolyzed, they are not the answer. Okay.